Hey guys, so if you're thinking about if the S24 Ultra needs a screen protector, someone wrote here 131 originally. Then I read on how the fingerprint scanner gets much worse with one, how the S Pen is not as nice to use, how even the original anti-reflective Samsung SP has a bit of glare, tends to leave a line in the middle and is a bit narrow to cover the entire screen. I'm gonna slap a nice case on it and that's it. So what I do, I know it sounds strange, but when I have the case, maybe you're gonna show this is not S24, but this case, I got a little bit like the case is a little bit bigger than the surface of on it. So in the moment when you have like real well case, and I got this phone like 3 years, and I'm like careful when I use it, so it's not like dropping on the ground. So then when it's like crashing on it, it's never crashing here. It's always got like, it's actually not crashing on the display, but on the case. So that's also has been my experience, is that if you feel that you want it, go in and buy it. Like, don't just trust whatever someone is going to write on Reddit. Trust your own senses, your own intuition. Let me tell you, you got answers for everything how you need to navigate in your life. You have it in you. But we've been tricked that you have to always believe someone else that they got the answer for you. If you feel that you want to have a case, got it. If you don't feel that you don't want it, don't get it. And don't listen to anybody else. Only yourself, your intuition, because you can actually feel the energy from the phone. Learn how to feel it and it's going to give the answer if you need it.